I've been in this hobby for years now. I basically own enough keyboards for every day of the month. I am in severe debt, and my wife left me. I think it's finally time for me to move on, get off the computer, and touch some grass. Oh shit, is that a new TGR raffle? Yo, did you see the new switches that just came out? Wait, which ones? These, the new Texi Gatoron JWK Linear Clicky Hybrid Marshmallow Ice Cream Strawberry Necco Fruit Salads. Obviously. Oh shit, that got a version 2 already? Yeah, these are just keycaps that I pulled off a post-anime era Mitsubishi decoderizer, $15,000. East Doofenshmirtz Vintage MX Noir switches, $120 a pop, dry spit lubed of course, and can't forget my very rare one-of-one artisan keycap that's at least worth $3,000. Very simple build if I may say so myself. What do you mean you're breaking up with me? Yo, what is it? I have nothing to build. Didn't you literally buy a keyboard like last week? Yeah, but that keyboard doesn't go with any of the switches that I have. Don't you have like 500 different switches? Why don't you build it with one of those? Yeah, but I still gotta lube them and film them. So just lube and film them? Nah. Finally, after 5 years, I got the GMK group buy that I've waited so long for. Too bad I sold all my keyboards that went with the set like 2 years ago. Yeet. Yeah, this keyboard is pretty nice, but it's still not endgame material like a TGR Jane or a Singa Unicorn, you know, or an OTD 356 Mini. Definitely not endgame at all. Oh damn, are those boards actually really that good? I don't know, I've never tried them. Yo guys, I just got a steal on this lat. Yo, this is sick. Damn, how much you pay for it? Just 500 and half of my remaining lifespan. Yo, that's a fucking steal. Oh, finally, it's here, my endgame, my pride and joy, the keyboard that I've been working towards my entire life. I finally got it. Oof, I'm so happy. You know what? I've been in this hobby for a very long 3 months, and I think I understand what makes a good keyboard. I bet something I design will definitely sell out for sure. Alright guys, so this is my very own completely original custom design. Definitely not a Bakeneko 60. Starting price is $500, very limited private group buy of course, no vendors, FNF payments only. You know what? Maybe Topra is endgame. You know what? Maybe Alps is endgame. Which set should I use? I'm just gonna go with a white on black. Which switches should I use actually? Yeah, Cherry MX Blacks. You know what? I think I need a little bit more desk space. Yeah, this keyboard size is just right. I don't think I need to. You know what? I think we can go a little bit smaller. Yeah, this is definitely the last keyboard I'm gonna buy. I think I have all the bases covered at this point. I mean, do I really use the arrow keys? I think we can go a little bit smaller. Yeah, this is the absolute smallest I will go for a keyboard. I think my collection is complete now. I am happy, but maybe we can use a bit more compact actually. Just one more. Yeah, for sure this is the very last keyboard I need. I don't even think you can even go smaller than this at this point. I think we went a little too far. Whew, finally. I've been using this Alice board for around 2 months now. I can type fast as hell. Super used to it, but I need to bring in my TKO for some work stuff actually. How the fuck do I use this thing? Yo, you're into keyboards, right? Yeah, sorta, I guess. What do you think I should get to play Valorant better? Well, you know, there are a lot of different layouts, switches, typing feel, and preference. It'll all definitely play a part in, you know what? Just get a Keychron. Okay, cool, thanks. Recommend a pre-build. Save a life today. You know what? The Apple Magic keyboard wasn't that bad in the first place.
1, 2